It's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
definitely.
Now, another announcement in the laptop department, HP's Envy laptop gets a new wood option. This, you know what? You guys know I love wood. I mean, look at this desk I'm sitting at, Will. You ever seen a piece of wood like this before?
On a tree, yeah.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, pretty much.
not
Only
on
if
a
you're
desk.
staring at a tree that's, I don't even know how old this is. I mean,
It's a big desk. For people who don't know, it's a really long, giant desk.
it's like 8 feet or something. It's the
Yeah.
newest edition. I love sitting here. It's I'm grounded. I'm connected to the earth in a way. The smell. It's a whole experience. It's very motivating. Anyhow, it can also be in your laptop. I mean, not this entire desk, but a little veneer, a real wood veneer on your 2-in-1 Spectre Folio from HP. How cool is that? I mean, we've seen wood make its way into consumer electronics in a sort of minimal way. I remember way back in the day, I did a video on a wooden keyboard, which honestly was not the best implementation. But on the Envy that you were just looking at, to put the wood portion, smooth wood portion on the deck where your wrists go, so you get to interact with the wood texture. I mean, that's kind of a nice little thing going on there. The old and the new, the real life material, the organic material merged together with the manufactured, the plastics that we're used to, the metals. I love this kind of thing. You know, leather, wood. That's what I'm about. Leather and wood. So anyhow, it is bizarre that HP is the experimental one. They're the old school laptop brand, but they're experimenting with finishes, and I love it. It's harder to differentiate, just like all the other stuff in tech with smartphones and whatnot. And they're like, hey, don't just pick your color, pick your finish now, pick your material. So there's going to be different types of wood finishes, and the variants will be available on the NV13, HP NV17, HP NV X360 13, and HP NV X360 15 models. Buyers can pick from walnut and birch finishes in colors including black, white, silver, and natural wood tones. So HP is, they're finding an unusual way to reach a new customer. I don't know if it's enough to make me a customer, but I love to see it. I find it to be very exciting. It's, I like anytime these objects, these gadgets that exist in our lives can differentiate themselves in some significant way. So it just doesn't look like another one of the thing that you've already seen a billion times. But instead it's like, oh, you got a wood laptop. Very cool. Samsung, they've come out with a new power controller chip to support 100-watt fast charging. So if you're not familiar, right now, the S10 5G, the highest end Galaxy S10, supports 25 watts of power, which is a tremendous amount of power. But they just put out this controller chip for Type-C power delivery at 100 watts, 4 times that of the current max 25 watts of power. So this should be obvious what this could potentially mean. Incredibly fast power delivery and recharge, unlike anything we've ever seen before, and in a safe fashion, presumably. This is a tough thing to do, to effectively deliver this much power. There's a little diagram there for those that are interested on the article. Will's showing it off right now. And but this is actually quite a cool thing for smartphones, obviously, eventually, but also laptops and anything that relies on Type-C charging, essentially.